Google Nest Cam 2nd Gen 6-pack review. Is this the ultimate home security solution? Ever felt like your home security system was more frustrating than helpful? Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. The Google Nest Cam 2nd Gen 6-pack is here to change that. With wire-free battery operation, magnetic mounts, and smart alerts, it gives you complete home coverage without the hassle of complicated wiring, subscriptions, or constant maintenance. Worried about break-ins, package theft, or pets wandering into restricted areas? Stress builds when cameras miss crucial moments or alerts flood your phone. Imagine if you could monitor your property effortlessly, day or night, indoors and outdoors, all from a single app. Google Nest Cam makes this a reality, keeping your home protected without adding more tech headaches or endless notifications. Meet the Google Nest Cam Outdoor or Indoor Battery, 2nd generation, a versatile security solution designed for any property. This 6-pack bundle lets you cover multiple points without drilling or running cables. Each camera streams 1080p HDR video with full-color night vision and infrared for total darkness. The built-in intelligence distinguishes people, animals, and vehicles, sending smart alerts straight to your Google Home app. One homeowner shared how these cameras alerted them to a delivery truck while ignoring their pets, a perfect blend of precision and convenience. Installation is effortless with magnetic mounts or included brackets, and the rechargeable battery lasts months depending on activity. For continuous recording, optional Nest Aware subscriptions unlock 24/7 video history and familiar face alerts. Another renter praised moving cameras between units with ease. Here's one way Nest Cams save the day for a busy family. Keep reading for the bonus tip at the end to maximize coverage with minimal effort. The benefits of the Nest Cam 6-pack extend far beyond clear video. Users report unparalleled peace of mind, whether they're at home, work, or on vacation. Installing all 6 cameras took just one weekend with no drilling or complex wiring, said a homeowner. Tech influencers rave about the battery life, sharp HDR video, and seamless integration with the Google Home ecosystem. Analysts highlight its strategic appeal for multi-point coverage, DIY setups, and app-based management. Two-way audio allows you to speak directly to visitors or deter intruders, while intelligent alerts reduce false alarms from pets or passing cars. Night vision keeps your property visible in any lighting condition. One property manager commented, "I can monitor multiple rental units from a single app, perfect for turnover checks and maintenance." The magnetic mounts and wire-free design let you reposition cameras easily, while optional continuous power ensures uninterrupted 24/7 coverage. Thousands of users praise Nest Cam for reliability, flexibility, and smart notifications. Which feature would transform your security routine? Night vision, intelligent alerts, or wireless setup? Comment below and see tips to maximize safety effortlessly. Protect your home like a pro with the Google Nest Cam 2nd Gen 6-pack. Wire-free, weather-resistant, and intelligently alerting, it's the ultimate multi-camera solution for indoor and outdoor coverage. Limited stock. Thousands of users are already enjoying peace of mind with easy setup and magnetic mounts. Bonus tip: pair cameras with the Google Home app for remote access and real-time notifications. Don't wait. Secure your 6-pack today and transform your home security with minimal effort and maximum control.